Hey there, Apple enthusiasts. Welcome to Eassiy Official. Forgotten your Apple ID and feeling stuck? Don't let this hiccup slow you down. I'll show you the quick and easy ways to find, reset, or remove your Apple ID so you can get back to enjoying your device without a hitch. Ready for some tech wizardry? Let's dive in. How to find your forgotten Apple ID password without resetting it. If you've forgotten your Apple ID password, but don't want to reset it, try checking saved passwords on your iPhone under Settings, Passwords, or in your browser settings. Open Safari. Go to Instagram, Facebook, or any platform. Tap the button, then find the autofill option at the bottom left of the middle. Click the key button on the right, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, and access your saved password. Asking Siri may help if the password is stored in Keychain. If none of these work, visit appley.apple.com to reset your password. How to reset Apple ID password. To change your password via Settings System Preferences on your iPhone or iPad, start by opening the Settings app. At the top, select your name, then proceed to Sign In and Security. Tap on Change Password, and when prompted, enter your iPhone passcode. Next, fill in your desired password in both the New and Verify fields. Finally, hit Change located in the top right corner to save your new password. If you prefer to reset your password using the iForgot website, open your browser and head over to iforgot.apple.com. Enter your Apple ID email address and click Continue. Select the option to reset your password via email. Check your inbox for a message from Apple that includes a password reset link. Click on that link and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the password reset process. How to remove Apple ID from iPhone without password. If your Apple ID's phone number and email are inactive and you've forgotten your security questions, resetting your password can be tough. Passixer is an iOS unlocking tool that removes an old Apple ID and allows you to create a new one. Its Remove Apple ID feature bypasses iCloud passwords and Find My iPhone, making it perfect for secondhand devices. It works with all iOS versions and can wipe passcodes even on unresponsive screens. Go to the Passixer website and download the application. Install it on your computer, launch the software on your computer, and select Remove Apple ID from the available options. Connect the iPhone with Apple ID issues to your computer using a certified USB cable. If it's your first time connecting, tap Trust on your iPhone when prompted. Click Start and follow the on-screen instructions based on your device's status. If Find My is off, the Apple ID removal will begin immediately without data loss. If Find My is enabled, iOS 11.4 and later, ensure two-factor authentication and screen passcode are active. Enter 0000 to confirm, then verify the displayed information and click Start to download the firmware package. After downloading, enter 0000 again and click Unlock to start the removal process. Once completed, you can set up a new Apple ID. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. We really appreciate your support.